Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how the k-means algorithm works, okay? And to show you that, I have built a very simple Android application where I'm going to show you the behavior of the k-means algorithm. So let's do it. So there are two concepts in the k-means. One is the elements, which is my data, okay? So you can imagine this as a set of data points where each of those points represents data, okay? This is my data. And you have also the centroids. What is a centroid? Centroid, it's going to be the center of a group, which is going to be a cluster, okay? So what this algorithm do is it will try to group your data into three centroids. We have here a red dot, a blue, and a brown one. So it will try to separate this data in three clusters, okay? So let's run and see what's happening. So the first step is for every element, for every data you have to find the nearest centroid, okay? So for these elements here, it will become red because it's closer to the red. These elements here, they will become brown because they're close to the brown, and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so all of these elements, they become red because they're closer to the red centroid. The second step of this algorithm is to move the centroid to the average of the elements, okay? So let's see an example here. We have all those red elements here, okay? So the next step is to move the centroid, which is this point here, to the average x and y of its elements, okay? So let's see what happened. And here we go, it has changed, okay? And also has the brown. The blue hasn't changed because it still doesn't have any elements. So let's do one more time the step number one, which is for all the elements find its nearest centroid. And now the blue got one element, and then you gotta move to the average, okay? Move to the average, so the centroid is in the middle, and let's do it again and found more two elements. Move the centroid. Now I have to find the nearest centroid for every element, and move the centroid again, find the nearest centroid. And finally, when the centroid is not moving anymore, which means that you have converged, okay? So it has converged, which means that I found three clusters, okay? So again, the k-means algorithm has two steps. The step number one is find the nearest centroid. The step number two is update the centroid position. So let's do it one more time to make sure we understand. So I'm just creating some data here, and now I'm going to use 4 centroids, okay? I have 4 centroids. It doesn't matter the position. Oh, it's 5 now, okay. So let's put some more elements here. So it doesn't matter the position of the centroids. The correct way to initialize the centroids is to randomize the position, but I'm just clicking here in random positions. So let's run the algorithm. So it found the nearest centroid, update the position of the centroid, and so on. And it will repeat until it converge, okay? So that's it, it has converged. So I hope you understand a little bit more of the k-means algorithm now, and if you like it, please thumbs up, and that's it. You can download this application from my GitHub, and the link is on the description. Thank you for watching.